Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing a special Halloween Bulbasaur. We're going to start with a few construction lines. We're going to start with a circle around this area. And then we just need a little oval for the body. With that done, we're going to actually draw a pumpkin shape. So we're going to do another circle up here. And then let's just draw some line for the paws. So once we have the paws in, we just need the back foot. Once you have these shapes done, we're going to go over to our inking pencil and draw in all the details. We're going to start around the top of the head, around this point, and go across. Once you're done with that, we're going to add the ears in, so we're going to go up to around here and back down all the way to this area where all the lines meet. And then we're going to repeat the other side for the other ear. We're going to go up to this point and then back down. Following the outside line of this circle, we're going to go down to around this point, like so. And then we're going to swoop all the way down to here. So you just want to take your time. Swoop down to here, and that's going to be the bottom of our chin. And for the face, we're going to add in the lip first. We're going to go start from this point, and we're going to all the way over here. And then we're just going to go down, back up to connect it to that. And once you're done with that, we're going to add these two little teeth. Then we need to draw the bottom of the jaw, or the bottom of the lips. With that done, let's just draw the eyes. The eyes are really simple. It's just going to be a loop shape up, and then we're going to connect it across. Same for the other side, we're going to go all the way to here. And this one's going to be a little more narrow because it's away from us. Make sure to match the top, down, and across. And let's just draw in the two eyes, like so. Now let's draw in the circle for the highlight. It's missing the nose, so we're just going to add that in, and the face is complete. Since this is a Halloween Bulbasaur, instead of the bow, we're going to change it a pumpkin. So we're going to start the pumpkin shape by going up this and loop up like this. Then we're going to repeat the same shape to the back, and I connect it all the way to the ear. For the pumpkin details, we're just going to draw in a face first before we add any details. So for the face, we could just do these triangle shapes to make it spooky. And then let's do some zigzag lines for the mouth. With that done, let's draw in the stem. Just loop it up, circle, and loop it back down. The stem done, let's just draw in some stem details. And then a circle. And pumpkins usually have ridges, so we're just going to add those ridges throughout the pumpkin, like so. That's looking really good. And for the final step, we're just going to add in some possibly pumpkin leaves and then add in our legs. So actually, we don't actually need pumpkin leaves because it's not Ivysaur. We're fine with just the pumpkin itself. For the legs, we're just going to do these big legs. I'm going to break away from the sketch a little bit, only because I feel like it should start in the middle of his head. And then we're just going to add in makes little toes for each foot. So 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna connect the body, and then 1, 2, 3. Finally finish it off with the line. Since it is a Bulbasaur, we need some patternings. So we could just add some patternings on him around the face area, like so. And a few on the legs. And once you're done with your drawing, let's erase the lines. And since this is a special Halloween Bulbasaur, we're gonna color it Halloween colors. And there you have it. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have suggestions for any other Pokemon, please leave it in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next one.